Hello guys, today is day 2 and let's go to home. So every day I'm going to do a little code challenge. It's just some really simple array and characters challenge. So let's say what's gonna be today. The goal of this exercise is to convert a string to a new string where each character in the new string appears once in the original string. Wait, what? New string is this if that character appears only once. Okay. If that character more than once in the original string. Alright, I'm gonna store all the strings in a hash map in our object, and let's do that. Const. What I'm thinking is I'll have an object with the frequency of every single characters, and if then I store the new character in an array, and if each character has a number way. Let's do that, and then we optimize later. So const, let's say object is equal to an object, and we say const output is an array. So word for let I is equal to 0, I minus word dot length I plus plus if object word I exists, then it's gonna be every, so even the first one, so I cannot do them at the same time, so I have to use a for loop and then use a for loop again. Maybe some other people will have a better solution, but in my case I don't think I can do them at the same time. I tried. So is equal to if that exists, plus plus if that exists. Hopefully that works. Then we put everything in that array, then full word. I like to use the map method. So instead of doing it like this, just say output is equal to I like to use those like little array methods. So I spread a string, and then I can use map. Each character. If character object character is equal to text is equal to 1. Return output dot join like this. Let's try test. I know that won't work. I remember you can use ampersand, but let's do the dumb way. I'm not clever enough. Clearly, I'm not allowed to do this. So let's say if that exists, otherwise what am I doing? What's wrong with this? There's nothing wrong about it. Token return. Let's do a dumb way. If else. This to equal this. Just the first one isn't right. So I returned this, but it was supposed to be this. I don't get it. I think it was success. So it might be because the lowercase. So I need to store that in a lowercase. Everything needs to be lowercase. Should ignore case. All right. Word, let's just say const word is equal to word to lowercase. Like this. Test it again. Words. We'll use I know it's bad naming, but let's just see if that works. Alright. Let's see how other people solve this, because this I used like 2 for loops. So the time complexity is 2n. So they did 2 lowercase, then split, then map, and return. So map takes the element, the index, and the array. So word index of this is equals to last index of how does that work? So the first, but let's say they only use one map and one comparison, but index of is also a comparison, and last index of is another one. So basically that's like 1, 2, 3. This is a loop inside of a loop. So the time complexity is quite high. I'm not recommending this one. Index of as well. Then not good. Everyone's using index of. Let's say like is index of and last index of has a time like of big O and in JavaScript. Yes, you see, n inside of n is not really a good idea. So this one, why they always use regular expression? I'm just so bad at it. My probably is gonna learn. And index of, that's like 2n as well, right? Replace, let's say the string method replace has a time complexity of big O n, right? You see a big O n inside of a big O n. Oh my god, that one's crazy. That one is the same. Finally, I found someone using the same. That's the same solution as mine. Okay, at least I found someone using the same. Oh no, that one is the same as well, right? Yeah, use the counting method and then use the result to join them together. Yeah, that's the same. I mean, that one's crazy. They looks pretty cool, but that's a time complexity of n squared. Maybe technically it's still really fast, but like if you look at big O, then it's probably not a good idea. Anyway, yeah, that's today's challenge. I'm not talking that much, and I don't think. But at least I finished the question. Yeah.